What is going on, guys? Solo is here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys here my top 3 best crypto coins and altcoins to buy during this dip right now, and to just buy in general. So of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment purposes only, but I'm gonna share with you guys here my top 3, and these 3 are the ones in terms that I find the most value in, right? Based on percentage change and also the fundamentals, right? Because a lot of these coins, the fundamentals are the same basically, but the percentage change just went down by a lot. So I'm just gonna show you guys here the ones that I find the most value, that you can get the most from the price, okay? And another key thing too is that when I do these top 3 videos, what I like to do is the first one, I like to do the big cap coin, okay? The first one is always the big cap, which is basically one of the coins in the top 10 market cap. The second one is medium cap, which is gonna be around the top 50 in terms of market cap. And then the last one is a low cap that's very undervalued and upcoming, and one to look into their project that can 10x, 100x. So definitely stay tuned for that one, is the reason why it's the last one. So let's get started here with the first one here. Obviously it's going to be in the top 10 here in terms of market cap, and the first one here is going to be XRP, which is currently right now at the 6th in terms of market cap, and it's currently at 56 cents, which is crazy to me because about a month ago I wanted to buy XRP and it was above $1. I think it was $1.50 or something like that, and I just wish it would have gone to at least $1. Now it's almost at 50 cents, and XRP honestly is a great buy under $1, any amount under $1, and definitely a steal under 50 cents. And XRP, guys, nothing changed about XRP. You know, all this is because of Bitcoin going down with the FUD and all that stuff. And XRP still has the same fundamentals. Of course, they have the core thing. And, you know, XRP had a high of $3 or something. So you can see the potential that it has. Looking over here at all, we're going to look at the all graph. XRP had a high of, you know, $3 back in the day, almost $3. And then currently I had a high of $1.80. And also, like I said, guys, I look for value, and to find value you got to look at the percentage change. A lot of people just look at the price, right? But I like to look at the percentage change. And looking here at the top 10 cryptos here, XRP in the 7-day percentage is down 35% change, guys. Is down 35%, guys. 35. Okay, when you compare that to Bitcoin, for example, it's 18 for Bitcoin, 25 for Ethereum, right? But 35 for XRP, you know, for being a top 10 coin, and the potential that XRP has is just a steal. That's why I'm bringing you guys here these top 3 coins. And the ones that I want to highlight are ones like this, right? Because the fundamentals are still the same. Looking here, Dogecoin is 41% change, so you guys can see the ratios. Now let's look at number 2, which is the medium cap coin, okay, which is obviously going to be in the top 50. And I'm going to try to pick one here that's not in the top 10, but in the top 50 at least. And the one that I picked here is going to be Chainlink, okay, Chainlink, which is down 31%, and it's currently at $17 right now. And Chainlink, anything under $20 is a great buy. Anything at 15 and lower is an amazing, and it's just a steal, honestly, for Chainlink. The fundamentals are still the same. Chainlink has been around for a lot of years. The fundamentals in the project is amazing. And looking here at the graph for Chainlink, let's look at the all-time graph here. It had a high of 41, I think 47, 52 actually. So I had a high of around $52, and it's just been going down to 17, and it's almost towards the same time that was around January prices, which was 17 too, around that prices. So, you know, these prices are the same as in January. And like I said again, guys, Chainlink still has the same fundamentals, which if you don't know, definitely look into it. It's just an amazing project that you guys gotta learn about. Okay, so that's my number 2 coin, which is my medium cap coin, which is Chainlink. Okay, another one, good one here, just to add on a bonus one here is Stata as well. Okay, definitely look into that one. But Chainlink, okay, is an amazing. So moving on to the last one here, the lower cap coin, okay, which can be at least top 100, and this one is going to be Digibyte. Okay, and I'm gonna talk why I think this one is an amazing steal right now. Is at this price, which is 3 cents, literally 3 cents. Okay, Digibyte, if you don't know about the project, it's a very secure crypto here that's been around for a while too. So this one right here is not like it's just been out this year, right? Like ICP or something like that. It's been around for a while actually. I don't know, right here it goes all the way down to 2014, Yeah, 2014. I don't know if it's more than that, it's been longer than that, but Digibyte, if you really go into it, it's an amazing project as well. Okay, the high, let me show you guys here the high. It was actually this year, 2021, which was 14 cents actually. It went up to 14 cents. Okay, Digibyte has an amazing project, an amazing team. Okay, if you learn more about it, you're just gonna be very bullish about it. You know, the whole market going down and Digibyte going from literally 14 cents to 3 cents, which is currently right now, is just a steal. Because Digibyte could definitely go to $1 or $2 in the next years to come, you know, easily. Definitely look into Digibyte. This is my third one, and again guys, like I said, these are my top, and I make these videos for a reason, and I do buy these, you know what I'm saying? I'm not just making some random cryptos out here. I definitely buy these, the ones that I make in these videos. And if you guys want to learn more about what I buy and hold, definitely check out my Patreon if you guys want to get more from my channel. Those are my top 3 to buy during this dip. If you guys want to join a free crypto group on Facebook, I made one. It's called Crypto Invest to Rest. The link will be in the description below. It's completely free. It's on Facebook. We have a couple members, and we're growing every day because it's public and free, so anybody can join and find it. And it's just a friendly crypto community where you guys can just post things and share your opinions and help each other out, and you know, give opinions about the crypto world. So definitely check that out. Also check out my Patreon if you guys want to join my Discord and all that stuff. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.